Some truck engines are worn out by 150,000 miles. These 15 were barely getting started. One engine on this list has been documented with over 1.1 million miles on the original drivetrain. Another became so trusted that truck owners still hunt for it decades after production ended. And the number one engine? It didn't just power pickups, it built an entire reputation for diesel durability. If you want a truck that can take abuse, keep pulling, and still fire up when everything else is falling apart, this list matters. These are 15 truck engines that refuse to die. This ranking is based on real-world longevity, engineering design, truck application history, and the reputation these engines earned from owners, mechanics, and high-mileage work use. At number 15 is the Nissan VQ40DE. This 4.0-liter V6 powered the Frontier, Xterra, Pathfinder, and Suzuki Equator, and for a mid-sized truck engine, it built a very solid reputation. It made between 261 and 276 horsepower, up to 294 pound-feet of torque, and used a forged crank, forged rods, timing chains, and a simple naturally aspirated layout. It wasn't trying to be flashy. It was built to be useful, durable, and strong enough to keep working long after smaller engines gave up. With proper maintenance, plenty of these have crossed 200,000 miles, and many have gone far beyond that. At number 14, the Chevrolet 4.3 Vortec 5.6. This engine became a legend because it just kept showing up year after year in S10s, Astros, work vans, and GM trucks that refused to quit. It wasn't fast, and nobody bought it for bragging rights. They bought it because it was simple, familiar, easy to repair, and unbelievably stubborn. The 4.3 earned its reputation the old-fashioned way by surviving years of abuse in work vehicles that were never babied. If reliability mattered more than speed, this engine made a lot of sense. Coming in at number 13 is the Ford 4.6 Modular V8. This was never the engine that made the biggest headlines, but it quietly became one of Ford's most respected long-mileage motors. In F-150s and fleet vehicles, the 4.6 developed a reputation for doing exactly what truck buyers want. Start every day, keep running, and ask for very little besides regular maintenance. It's one of those engines that wins by being steady. No drama, no huge personality, just a proven ability to push past 300,000 miles when cared for properly. At number 12 is the Nissan VK 565.6 V8. If you know Titan trucks, you know this engine deserves more credit than it gets. The earlier VK56DE made roughly 305 to 322 horsepower and around 385 to 395 pound-feet of torque, while later versions made even more. But the reason it's here isn't output, it's toughness. The earlier port-injected versions especially built a reputation for being simpler and easier to live with than many newer V8s. Big displacement, naturally aspirated power, and fewer headaches than people expected made the VK56 one of the more underrated truck engines on the market. At number 11, the Toyota 5 VZ-FE. This 3.4-liter V6 powered Tacomas, 4Runners, T100s, and other Toyota trucks that are still on the road today for one reason: the engine underneath them just keeps going. The 5 VZ-FE became known for being easy to service, inexpensive to maintain, and incredibly hard to kill. What's interesting is that even tear-down coverage of failed examples stands out mainly because failure is so unusual. That tells you everything. This engine didn't earn hype, it earned trust. Cracking the top 10 is the GM 5.3-liter LM7 Vortec. If you've spent any time around Silverados or Sierras from the early 2000s, you already know why this engine is here. The LM7 made around 270 to 295 horsepower and 315 to 335 pound-feet of torque. But what really mattered was its formula: iron block, pushrod simplicity, strong aftermarket support, easy parts availability, and a reputation for lasting. This is one of those engines that became famous in both trucks and engine swaps because people learned the same lesson over and over. And it's tough, it's cheap to keep alive, and it takes mileage better than most modern gas engines. At number 9, the legendary Toyota 22R and 22RE. This engine wasn't built for speed, it was built to survive, and that's exactly what it did. With its thick-walled cast-iron block, simple design, and reputation for reaching 300,000 to 400,000 miles with basic maintenance, The 22R became one of the all-time symbols of truck reliability. Owners loved it because it tolerated neglect better than most engines tolerate perfect care. If your definition of a great truck engine is one that always seems to make it home, the 22R absolutely belongs on this list. At number 8 is the GM 6.0-liter Vortec. This engine became a favorite in heavy-duty GM trucks, vans, and work rigs because it brought together exactly what serious truck owners wanted. V8 torque, simple overhead valve design, solid durability, and the ability to handle hard work without feeling fragile. Depending on the version, it made up to around 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. But like so many engines on this list, the real story is longevity. This is a true workhorse motor, the kind you find in trucks that were bought to earn money, not impress neighbors. At number 7, the Toyota 2UZ-FE. This 4.7-liter V8 is one of the clearest examples of Toyota choosing durability over ego. Instead of chasing high-strung performance, Toyota gave this engine a cast-iron block, forged steel crankshaft, oversized bearings, and conservative tuning built for trucks and SUVs that had real jobs to do. And the results were incredible. The 2UZ-FE powered Tundras, Sequoias, Land Cruisers, and more. And it's tied to some of the most famous high-mileage truck stories out there, including multiple Toyota trucks that crossed the 1 million mile mark. That's not just reliable, that's legendary. At number 6, the Ford 300 Inline-6. This engine is basically what happens when an industrial machine accidentally ends up in a pickup truck. With a cast-iron block, cast-iron head, low-end torque, and an almost agricultural level of simplicity, the Ford 300 became one of the most respected gas truck engines ever built. And its history proves it. It didn't just live in trucks, it also saw duty in generators, dump trucks, pumps, and other equipment designed for hard labor. That's why so many old-school truck guys still speak about the 300 with near-religious respect. It wasn't exciting, it was dependable, and for a truck engine, that matters more. Now we're into the top 5. The engines that didn't just build strong reputations, they became the benchmark. These are the names truck owners bring up whenever the conversation turns into a real argument. At number 5 is the Ford 6.7 Powerstroke. For a modern diesel to earn a place on a list like this, it has to do more than make power. It has to survive complexity. And the 6.7 Powerstroke has done exactly that. In Super Duty trucks, it became known for massive towing strength, modern diesel capability, and durability serious enough that even Ford has emphasized its long-life engineering. Current versions make up to 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. But the bigger story is that this engine helped prove modern heavy-duty diesels can still be long-haul engines when they're engineered right and maintained well. At number 4, the Duramax LBZ 6.6 V8. This engine had a short run, but it made a massive impact. The LBZ quickly became one of the most respected diesel truck engines ever built because it hit that perfect balance of power, drivability, and durability. And then came the proof. One documented 2006 LBZ-powered truck crossed 1,197,524 actual miles on the original engine and transmission. Not rebuilt, not replaced, original. That kind of real-world story changes how people look at an engine. It takes the LBZ out of the great truck motor category and puts it into something much rarer, a true diesel icon. At number 3 is the engine that diesel fans never stop talking about. The Ford 7.3 Powerstroke. This engine became legendary because it came from an era before diesel trucks were overloaded with complexity. It had conservative power, durable hardware, simpler systems, a fixed geometry turbo, and the kind of design margin that lets an engine live a long, hard life. That's why the 7.3 is so often associated with the 500,000-mile mark. Owners trusted it, mechanics respected it, and truck buyers still chase clean examples today because they know exactly what it represents. Old-school diesel toughness before reliability got buried under too much technology. At number 2, the Cummins 6.7 Turbo Diesel. The reason this engine ranks so high is simple. It carried the Cummins reputation into the modern era without losing the character that made people love the brand in the first place. It kept the cast-iron inline-6 foundation, delivered huge low-end torque, and evolved into one of the most trusted modern heavy-duty truck engines on the road. Depending on the version, it has produced up to 385 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque in the specs we reviewed, and it became a favorite for towing, hauling, and high-mileage work, where durability matters more than anything else. If the 7.3 is old-school diesel trust, the 6.7 Cummins is modern diesel staying power. And taking the #1 spot is the 5.9 Cummins. This engine didn't just earn a great reputation, it practically defined what durability means in a diesel pickup. With roots in medium-duty commercial design, an inline-6 layout, direct injection, turbocharging, cast-iron construction, and a reputation for huge torque and long life, the 5.9 became the gold standard. It powered Dodge trucks from 1989 to 2007, evolved from 12-valve to 24-valve form, and built a following that still borders on obsession today. Truck owners didn't just like this engine, they trusted it with their livelihoods, and that's why it's #1. Because when people talk about truck engines that refuse to die, sooner or later, the conversation always ends up here. So those are 15 truck engines that refuse to die. From simple gas workhorses to diesel legends with mileage stories that still sound unreal. If you made it this far, I want to know two things. Which engine on this list would you trust the most with your own money? And which one do you think should have ranked higher? Drop your answer in the comments because I already know this list is going to start some arguments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and stick around because the next one might save you from buying the wrong truck entirely. See you in the next one.